Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make this kind of bike. I'm going to take the pieces apart. I'm done with taking apart the pieces of the bike. We need 2 wheels, 2 of these pieces, 2 of these green plates, 2 of these boat-like front or back shaped ones, 4 of these, 3 of these ones, 1 of this, 2 of these transparent. You may not be able to see them. 1 of this red one, and 1 of this white one. 1 transparent red, 1 of this, and 1 of this. Let's get started. That's how you make this bike. These are the headlights. These are the handlebars. This is the seat. These are the taillights. These are the wheels. This is the footrest. This is the engine. That's all the parts of the bike. You try to make this bike at your home. Have fun.